I exited the highway and saw another biker pulled over to the side of the road, and I stopped to see if he needed any help, because that's what you're supposed to do as a motorcyclist.
There's some dude on a motorcycle up here. I wonder what his deal is. I'm gonna stop and see if he's all right.
I bet you will enjoy this video, so throw me a like and hit that bell so you can see future videos that I make, because I've got a lot of them.
He's got some colors on too, man. Some biker club patch. Hey, how you doing?
How's it going?
You doing all right?
Yeah, my foot peg came loose, that's all.
Foot peg came loose.
Yeah.
Man.
I don't want to rip on the high winch.
Which one was that? Your floorboard? Oh, up here?
Yeah.
You got it buttoned down and everything now?
Yeah, it started to come off, so I pulled over to just tighten it back up.
Okay, man.
I appreciate it, thank you.
So, hey, what motorcycle club you in here?
Silverbacks out of Lampasas.
Oh, wow, okay. Huh.
All right, thank you.
Okay, hey, nice to meet you. Be safe. Have fun, I mean. Okay, so he was a president of a motorcycle club, local. So he's doing good.